Now, welcoming my dear students in the guidance class and also in the e-learning class. This class is 2-in-1 because the class which I am going to take, the same class will be aired in our official YouTube channel. Yesterday in the mathematics class, we have started identities and we have discussed and derived the 20 formula which are needed for the syllabus of the identity for class 10. And also we have gone through the first exercise that to convert each t ratio in other t ratios. Then after that, today we are going to take some questions from NCERT book to prove the identities. I will start from question number second of question number 5. Please raise taking. This one? This one. Question number 2 of question number 5. Cos A 1 plus sin A plus 1 plus sin A upon cos A is equal to 2. Okay. Now, one hint I would like to give you. That if you are finding difficulties, you have to convert the LHS into RHS or RHS into LHS. And going through these questions, it is easier to move from LHS and get the result of RHS. If you are finding difficulties and questions of LHS or RHS are not given in sine and cos, your first step that convert each one in the form of sine and cos by the formula number 19 and formula number 20, where tan A stand for sine A upon cos A and cot A stand for cot A is equal to cos A upon sine A. इसमें ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, हम लोग डायरेक्ट हम लोग पढ़ेंगे देखिए. और आइडेंटिटीज क्या है? This step doesn't need any identities because it is the simple calculation of arithmetic step. We are taking here cos A into 1 plus sin A. This is the LCM. 1 plus sin A, 1 plus sin A, cancel. Cos A into cos A, that is equal to cos square A plus cos A and cos A cancel. 1 plus sin A into 1 plus sin A, that is equal to 1 plus sin A whole square. So this step has any step I have taken from identities? No. This is a simple calculation of arithmetic. After that, the third step. This one is the LHS. A plus B whole square. A square plus B square plus 2AB into cos A into 1 plus sin. Now here, now we are using the step of identities. Sin square A plus cos square A, the first formula, that's equal to 1. 1 plus 1 plus 2 sin A upon cos A into 1 plus sin. 1 plus 1? 2 plus 2 sin A upon cos A into 1 plus sin. So here only one step is needed to use the step of identities. Here I have not used any step of identities. Here also simple calculation. Now I am going to take 2 as a common. So that is equal to 1 plus sin A upon cos A into 1 plus sin A. So 1 plus sin A and 1 plus sin A cancel. This step also doesn't need any step from identities. 2 upon cos A can be written as 2 into 1 upon cos A. And 1 upon cos A is equal to sec A. That is equal to 2 sec A is equal to RHS. So in this question, I have used on this step and on this step the formula identities, and other steps are simple steps from arithmetic. तो ऐसा नहीं है बच्चों की identities chapter all the time in all the steps you have to use the formula. and it totally depends upon practice, because there is no shortcut method and there is no certain way that you use the formula of cost price here. You have to use the formula of selling price. It depends upon your practice. Now after that I am going to take one more question. Now this question is board model question. Question number 3. ये बहुत बड़ा है बच्चों. This question number 3 have come many times in the your board examinations. Tan theta 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta 1 minus tan theta is equal to 1 plus sec theta into cos theta. Now this point is taking in the camera. Alright? Yes, sir. Yes. Before this question, what I have explained in the question, if the LHS or RHS are not in the term of sine and cos, what would be your first step? Convert it as a sine or cos. LHS. Tan theta is equal to sine theta upon cos theta. 1 minus cot theta is equal to cos theta upon sine theta, plus this one is equal to cos theta upon sine theta. 1 minus this one is equal to sine theta upon cos. Now first we will solve this part, denominator. Now this one is equal to sine theta upon cos theta. What will be the LCM? Here sine. Here denominator is 1. 1 upon 1 से sin theta में divide करोगे तो क्या होगा? Sin theta into 1, that is equal to sin theta. Sin cancel. Here what will come here? Cos theta. Plus that is equal to cos theta upon sin theta. LCM is cos theta. That will become here cos theta minus this cos will go in the place of numerator. Sorry, sin will go in the place of numerator. हो जाएगा ना बच्चों? तो sin theta into sin theta. Sin square theta. Cos will come in the place of denominator. That is equal to cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta, plus this will become cos square theta. Sin will come down, that is equal to sin theta into cos theta minus sin theta. So before this step I would like to explain you one thing. Suppose you have given a minus b. If you take minus as a common, suppose you have given b minus a, then this minus become plus, and plus minus become minus, which means b minus is equal to minus common a minus b. Why I have explained this step? Because here you are finding that there is sin theta minus cos theta. There is cos theta minus sin theta. Now if I ask you a question, how can I convert this cos theta minus sin theta into sin theta minus cos theta? क्या करना पड़ेगा मुझे? Now is it clear? You have to take minus as a common. So one more step we write here, sin square theta cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta plus cos square theta minus I am taking as common. This will become sin theta, and what happened? This is sin theta minus cos theta. This is the key step for this identities. So one more thing, please guide me. Up to this point, here is taking this point. यहाँ पर? Okay, thank you. So I can increase this side. Now, here I can take sin theta minus cos theta as LCM, and both this one sin theta minus cos theta. So what will be the common LCM here? Sin theta into cos theta, and this term is common. This term is common. Sin theta minus cos theta. Sin theta minus cos theta. Okay. Now here, cos theta and cos theta cancel. Sin theta minus cos theta is also cancelled. Then here, sin theta into sin square theta. Sin cube theta and minus into plus minus. Likewise, everything will cancel. What is remaining here? This will become cos cube theta. Okay. You understood this step? सबको समझ आ गया? Yes sir. बच्चों, अब यहाँ देखो. In class 9 you have studied one formula. A cubed minus B cubed is equal to A minus B A square plus AB plus B square. ये पढ़ा था आपने? So we split the numerator in this format. So what will become? Sin theta minus cos theta is equal to sin square theta plus B square is equal to cos square theta plus sin theta into cos theta upon sin theta into cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta. This both will be cancelled. Now after this many step, I am using again the step of formula of identity. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So this one will be replaced by 1. That is equal to 1 plus sin theta into cos theta upon sin theta into cos theta. Now one more hint that I would like to give you. Suppose I have given A plus B upon C. I can write here upon B. I can write here A upon B plus B upon B. ऐसे लिख सकते हैं ना? This can be written as 1 upon sin theta into cos theta plus sin theta into cos theta upon sin theta into cos theta. This can be written as 1 upon sin theta into 1 upon cos theta. Because 1 into 1 is equal to 1. And this one is cancel. ये पूरा cancel हो जाएगा. 1 upon sin theta is equal to cos. The reverse of sin is cosec. And that is equal to cosec theta. And reverse of cos theta? Sec theta. Very good. Into sec theta plus 1. And this one is equal to RHS. So this question has some weight, my dear students. So please practice, note it down. In the next class, I will take some more doubts first from NCERT book, then I move to other R.S. Agrawal and R.D. Sarma. God bless you.